Hi, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to take a couple of moments to record this repair because I'm sure you've run into this. If not, you might on these W220 Mercedes-Benzes and even some others that use the same engine cover. These hoses, if you don't pay attention when you're installing them, the lip might get bent, and once they're bent, then it's very hard to fit them properly back in. They won't go all the way in. And of course, you want fresh air to come from the front of the engine, front of the car into the engine, not from inside the engine bay. The warmer air from inside the engine bay. So therefore, I mean, you can try to fix it with your hands and fingers. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But if you take a pair of pliers and kind of do what I'm doing here, a little at a time, starting with just a few millimeters or a quarter of an inch from the top, kind of keep bending, and then you may have to go a little deeper, half an inch or so. But keep doing it, and eventually it will get back in shape. And so this is, I thought if I couldn't be the only one who has run into this problem, and so hopefully you'll find this of use, and it will work for you too. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.